Ah. You know, so we go Jackson and some money still.
Baby, you know, so the boy think I want some money. Matter of fact, me a passing complex right now. But the bump up that. Hey boy, think I don't give my money.
Shit. How would the boy?
Hey boy, think I don't have money.